Okay guys, we catch this little
Short
short here.
signal yes.
Let's see where we can get with this trade. Tape is heavily to the downside. Nasdaq is to the downside, so no long for now. ATRs are to the downside.
Short signal
Okay, we
and
see the
Q.
Nasdaq still shooting down. My concern is that if it hits the ATR, then we see 1,000 contracts short. It can make a little push. We see the basket order in the micro ES and the ES, but very little, guys. This 1,000 contracts here is nothing. Let's see. Just stuck here, this guys. Buyers cannot reverse the price from here, so okay, we got filled, guys.
Short signal and Q.
Brick setup.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, if it stops me out here, it's okay, guys, no problem. I don't believe it's gonna go up right now, so
Short signal and Q.
okay, guys, there goes the tape. Pushing to the downside. We got the 6 contracts still. See if we can push a little bit lower from here. See lots of sellers in the tape. There goes the NQ.
Short signal and Q. Short signal yes. Short signal yes.
Okay, guys, so if you're in the tape that you want to see the aggregated tape and you don't want to see too many numbers, okay, so I'm gonna try and exit this trade, guys.
Brick setup.
Nasdaq is reversing. Okay, I'm out. Okay, so you just go to your indicators. Okay, you go to the time and sales, continuous print alert 10, aggregated, yes, you need to check this one, and the volume threshold of 1,000. Else, if you put it less than 1,000, that before in the other video I put you 1, so it will give you lots of prints, very little prints that are not. It will clog your chart. Just do the 1,000 ones because those are the most important. It will print only 1,000 and above. Okay, so hope that helps, guys. Okay, guys, so that's it. If you're
Brick
interested in the
setup.
system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Once you see these big prints, guys, these are institutions, okay? So you gotta be aware that don't jump in. Don't jump in. You see all the time that there's a lot of selling or buying. You see the market. These guys were trapped here, and these guys, when they stopped out, you just, you pull the market down. So what does
Long
the high
signal and
frequency
Q.
traders do? These guys, these institutions are not high frequency traders. These are humans trading in big quantities. Okay, so the thing is that when they hit the market, they can support a lot of drawdown. They can support lots of drawdown. Maybe they have $200,000 accounts, $1 million accounts. They look for the best opportunity to trade, and this market can reverse, and they will still hold a short. Okay, so you need to wait till the market gives you a clue if you can continue trading short. You need to see the other participant. The other participants will tell you if the market can go lower from here. Okay, so we see the boxes here. This is a bearish pattern you see here. Okay, so nothing is written in stone, guys. Nothing is written in stone. So you see two boxes here. This is a bear flag. We see two boxes here. This is a bear flag, but it needs to develop. Okay, so you need to wait for the development, else you don't trade.